Imagine proving that you know a secret without actually revealing the secret. Sounds impossible, right? This is exactly what zero-knowledge cryptography enables in modern blockchain systems. A zero-knowledge proof, often called a ZKP, is a cryptographic technique where one party proves to another that a statement is true, without revealing any additional information. In blockchain, this means transactions or computations can be verified without exposing sensitive data, such as wallet balances, identities, or private inputs. This creates a powerful balance between privacy and trust. Here's a simplified idea of how it works. A prover generates a cryptographic proof showing that a computation or statement is correct. A verifier checks this proof using mathematical algorithms. The verifier confirms the truth of the statement without ever seeing the underlying data. Modern blockchain systems use advanced forms like zk-SNARKs and zk-STARKs, which allow proofs to be verified quickly and securely. Zero-knowledge cryptography is transforming blockchain in several ways. Private transactions where amounts and addresses remain hidden. Scalability improvements through technologies like ZK rollups, which bundle thousands of transactions into one proof. Identity verification, where users prove eligibility without revealing personal details. These innovations improve both security and efficiency. As blockchain technology evolves, zero-knowledge proofs are becoming a cornerstone for privacy-preserving decentralized systems. They enable secure voting systems, confidential financial applications, and even privacy-focused artificial intelligence computations on blockchains. In simple terms, zero-knowledge cryptography allows blockchains to prove truth without revealing secrets, a breakthrough shaping the future of digital trust.